What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I've noticed in the past few weeks that there are a lot of new drivers in my comment section asking me some questions that I guess I take for granted because I already know a lot about DoorDash. I've been delivering with DoorDash for over 3 years now, so I want to make a series of videos giving you guys tips and tricks and what I think you need to know when you start doing DoorDash. These tips are going to be super random. If you are a new driver and you have other questions about something I didn't address in this video, please leave them down below. I can address it in my next video, or another driver could answer it for you. And if you have been delivering with DoorDash for a while and you have some tips for newbies, please leave it down below. We are all here to learn. First thing I want to talk about is your acceptance rate. You will not get deactivated for having a low acceptance rate. I've been to 0 multiple times. I keep declining the bad orders because I'm pretty picky when it comes to the mile per pay ratio, and if it doesn't make sense, like if I'm not going to profit off that order at the end of it, I cannot take it. But if you ask 10 drivers if your acceptance rate actually matters due to the orders that you will be getting, you'll get probably 10 different answers. I did a poll on my channel, I think 2 weeks ago. Y'all did not agree if your acceptance rate matters or if your acceptance rate didn't matter. So like I said, these tips and tricks are going to be random, all over the place. The next one is about seeing which way your customer door opens. Some doors open outwards, some doors open inward. Pay attention if that door opens outwards, because you don't want to put the food in front of the door and they're trying to open the door but they're hitting the bag, the drink falls over. I have been there, you guys. I ordered a coffee. I was out of coffee and I was feeling so bad. This was back when I drank coffee. I ordered a coffee and like some stuff for the kids, because you can't just order for yourself, and the driver left it like touching my door, but my door opens outwards. I open the door and my coffee goes spilling down my walkway. So to avoid ruining somebody's day, please pay attention to where the door opens, or just get into the habit of putting the food next to the doorway and not in the doorway at all. Avoid picking up from bad restaurants, whether it's because the workers are slow or they're rude. As you pick up from different restaurants, you will learn quickly what restaurants you want to avoid in the future. There are a couple on my do not pick up list. Wendy's, any Wendy's, all Wendy's, always a bad experience for me. Popeyes. I do not pick up from any Popeyes anymore, because if I've posted in several delivery videos where I am standing there for like 10 plus minutes and the workers are either rude or just straight up ignore you. There is a certain Zaxby's I will not pick up from, but there's a Zaxby's like right down the street over here where I also deliver. I will pick up from this one any day, but it's going to be different in every area. Unassigning orders. If you accidentally accept an order that you want to unassign, or if you accept an order and something comes up to where you can't be dashed anymore, like you got to go do something else, whether it's an emergency or something, or you're having car issues. If you have an issue at the restaurant, or if there's a long wait and you just want to get out of the order because you don't feel like waiting, you can easily unassign the order with a couple of clicks. And unlike your acceptance rate, where you cannot be deactivated for any number on your acceptance rate, your completion rate, on the other hand, does matter. And if it gets below 80%, you can be deactivated. Next, I want to talk about safety, and not just physically safety. Like I keep this here and this here for my safety. I got some pepper spray and I got this thing. This is supposed to, like, say I'm trapped in a car, like I go into a river or something, this will break the window, this will cut the seatbelt. But y'all, like this, that, y'all get where I'm going at with this. I want to talk about financial safety. Scammers, customers that are trying to scam you. I have seen a ton of different stories about this happening. Thankfully, it's never happened to me. If you are heading to a customer and you get a call and it says DoorDash, it could either be the customer or it could be DoorDash support. It's just going to say DoorDash. So that honestly makes it easy for a scammy customer to call you pretending to be DoorDash. It happens. And asking you to verify who you are by verifying some kind of information on your account. There's been incidents where they'll say, oh, you didn't get paid your full amount for your last delivery. Give me your login information, or give me this code that I'm sending to your phone. Like, they'll ask you for your email, and then they'll try to log into your account, which the code will go to your phone, and then they'll be like, okay, I just sent you a code, can you verify it for me? Do not send them that code. Like, hang up with them and call support yourself just to make sure. So now I want to talk about tracking your miles. There are multiple apps that you could use to track your miles. Gridewise, Stride, Solo. On Stride and Gridewise, you have to manually toggle on when you start your shift and then toggle off when you end your shift so that it could track the miles in between. On Solo, when you link your gig account in with Solo, they can see when you start working and they will automatically start tracking those miles. Solo also gives you earnings guarantee, which I'll leave more information down below. Now, when you claim your mileage on your taxes, you can get back 53 cents per gallon. Whether you're doing this as a little side hustle or you're doing this full time, like, you need to track every single mile so that you get that off of your taxes. Before you quit your W-2 job to start dashing full-time, thinking you're going to be making so much money, test out your area first. Some areas may be way busier than others. Some days may be way busier than others. Personally, in my area, I deliver in the Brandon, Tampa, Florida area, and on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, it's usually very busy, but on a Tuesday, it's so dead. I don't even come out on Tuesdays anymore. It can be completely different in your area. Some people say that Tuesdays are popping for them, but I know for me, it's not. So you just got to get a feel of your area. Every area is different. So there are 5 tips that I have for you guys. I'll be making more videos of this. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Myself or somebody else will answer it for you, or I can use it as a tip in a future video. I'm going to be doing more of these videos. If you are an experienced driver and you want to add tips onto anything I have said today, go ahead in the comment section below. We are all here to learn. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye. I don't think acceptance rate matters at all. There are all, hello, or if your acceptance rate, oh my god, my brain just stopped working. Oh my god, how am I gonna read this without my glasses? My battery is dying. Oh my god.